to come and cast his vote. Just about half an hour back, there was a flying squad of the Election Commission that had come here, and they rebuked the poll agents of the Bharatiya Janata Party for wearing the saffron cap and the saffron muffler around their neck. They were also wearing saffron t-shirts. All of those people have now left. In fact, if you can see in the visuals, the police officials there are using a very strong language, telling them that you cannot stand here wearing those symbols, and also telling them that they are not allowed to stand here with the mobile phones. I'll just go across and ask, आप बीजेपी के पोल बूथ एजेंट हैं? जी नहीं, अभी जो यहाँ पे इलेक्शन कमीशन के लोग आए थे, उन्होंने यहाँ पे जो केसरिया लोग टोपी पहने खड़े थे, उन लोगों को भगाया, उसका आपने पुलिस वाले थे यहाँ पर, उन लोगों को यहाँ से हटाया गया, आप लोगों ने देखा था उसे? जी, क्या क्यों आपको लगा पुलिस वाले यहाँ पे? उन्होंने केसरिया टी शर्ट पहना हुआ था, इसलिए उन्होंने डांटा उनको। अलाउड है यहाँ पे पहनना इस तरीके से? जी नहीं। So in fact, the booth agents here are saying that it was not allowed, but they were still flaunting it. Behind me, you can see brisk voting going on since morning here in Maruk, in Banaras. All of these people standing here in queue and waiting for their turn. In fact, but as of now, of course, the controversy coming in from Banaras after Ajay Rai Election Commission being very hard and of course rebuking the BJP poll agents for wearing the saffron T-shirt and the caps at the polling booths. Okay, Ankit, stay on with us. Dr. Patra, BJP workers have also been, as far as this entire controversy is concerned, even they have been rebuked for wearing saffron.
I take a strong exception of the election commission over here.
Okay, just a minute, Dr. Patra. Let's go across to the info center. I'm getting some information there. Go ahead.
All right, thanks, Maruk. In fact, as we speak about Congress candidate from Varanasi flouting rules, here are some pictures that we are playing out right now. This is our correspondent Preeti Chaudhary, and you can see the Congress candidate Ajay Rai, who was speaking to us a little while earlier, and we've highlighted this portion. You can see him wearing this badge of Congress party. So clearly these pictures coming in here, and here I'm getting you some more pictures. These ones coming in from one of the constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, where you can see election officers, the electoral officers there working on laptops, where there are pictures of Akhilesh Yadav. Well, these pictures just coming in. All right, we'll try and play that out for you a little while later, but more reactions coming into the story that we broke here on Headlines today of how it seems the Congress candidate in Varanasi, who is up against Narendra Modi and Arvind Kejriwal, has flouted some rules. I believe Pia has more inputs on that.
We have. In fact, we got this photograph up on Twitter, and we asked people for their reaction. So I put that photograph up and said there were 2 FIRs against Modi for allegedly flouting his party symbol at a booth. So what about Ajay Rai? And we've got some reactions coming in. Girish Khubani, who is a Congress supporter, says, I agree, and yes, Ajay Rai should be booked, but that cannot justify Modi ji, he says. We have Rajneet R. Rayar, who says, in that case, every man from the Congress should be apprehended. They should leave their hands at home. You know, people have been talking about this rather sarcastically, about this flaunting of the election symbol. So this is one such sarcastic reaction. But we also have reactions coming in from BJP supporters who say, are you still expecting that the election commission is partial? Please live in reality. Another person says, Modi ji was only a voter in Gandhinagar. Rai is the candidate and voter. There's a big difference. I'm not so sure about that one, but certainly both of them flaunting the rules there. And Ankur Agarwal, very pithy response, says, it seems the election commission is on sale. Now, you know, to be fair to the election commission, Dr. Sambit Swaraj, by his Twitter handle, Dr. Sambit Batra says, spotted this just a few moments ago. So we want to give the time to the election commission to respond. But we've got some reactions coming in already. And the BJP supporters, not surprisingly, Maruk, are not happy.
The BJP supporters are clearly not happy. Dr. Patra, almost itching to give a response.
In fact, about what Ankit was reporting from the ground, about the saffron colors that the BJP agents were wearing, I took a strong exception to this in the sense that saffron does not denote BJP.
Okay, I just want to bring your attention to another flouting of norms, because there are computers, laptops inside a polling booth in Uttar Pradesh, and there is Akhilesh Yadav and Mulayam Singh Yadav's photograph on those laptops. Remember, they had a laptop
Yes,
team.
definitely.
They might perhaps give that same argument as far as these elections are concerned. But that's another flouting of norms. So it's the BJP, the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. Everybody, it's a free for all, Dr. Batra.
No, it's free for them, not for us. I mean, we have never flouted any rules, and instead of the fact that we have not flouted those, we had 2 FIRs slapped against the PM aspirant. In fact, he was beyond the 200 meters ambis. I mean, what the Model Code of Conduct demands. He was not doing anything wrong. In spite of that, within quick time, 2 FIRs were slapped against Mr. Narendra Modi. But over here, we see Akhilesh Yadav, the father and the son duo within the polling booth. The polling agents are working on those laptops. We had seen Rahul Gandhi going and trying to repair the EVM machine. We have seen as to how Ajay Rai, the one who is contesting from Varanasi, from Congress, flaunting the symbol of hand on his kurta, going inside the polling booth and voting. And in spite of that, the election commission is not taking action against them. Ironically, they are going to BJP workers who were supposed to be wearing some saffron. Saffron is not BJP color. Anyone who wears a green does not represent Pakistan. Similarly, anyone who wears a saffron...
I'm wearing green, Dr. Batra.
I'm not pointing anyone. Just anyone who wears any particular color does not represent any particular party. Symbols are symbols. So I believe election commission should act.
Okay, so right now there are controversies brewing over election symbols being openly flouted. We've seen Ajay Rai, Congress candidate from Varanasi, openly using the election symbol of the Congress party, wearing it on his kurta, as you can see in those pictures. We've had the BJP flouting rules by wearing saffron, and they were rebuked by the EC flying squad. All of that happening in Varanasi. And again in Uttar Pradesh, the Samajwadi Party also seem to be flouting norms, because poll officers inside a polling booth have pictures of Akhilesh Yadav on their laptops. But this being the biggest flouting of norms that we have seen today, Ajay Rai, and in fact he's all tried to clarify and said that I'm a candidate and I can wear the election symbol.